everybody and welcome. Today's video we're talking Ipsy, specifically Ipsy X. About 48 hours ago, by the time you guys see this video, the choice window had opened up. We're going to talk about what the choices were, what we're looking to expect, and was there some Ipsy issues? Some little like bumps in the road. Yeah, we're gonna get into all that. Anyways, guys, before we jump into the video, I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this portion of today's video. You guys know that I partnered with Ana Luisa Jewelry last year, and I told you guys how much I absolutely loved their jewelry, their pieces, their quality, as well as their customer service and their return policy if you actually need to return anything. Anyways, guys, I'm going to show you some pieces that I have from last year, actually, specifically my favorite piece from last year, as well as I did send over a couple pieces for me to show you guys today. So I want to go ahead and tell you guys why I enjoy Ana Luisa. One, because of their exceptional quality, long-lasting pieces that are crafted with care and the best metals possible. They offer a 365-day warranty to replace or refund any piece that doesn't meet your expectations. The jewelry is starting at $39 and there is zero luxury markup whatsoever. They are carbon neutral. They offset 100% of their carbon emissions, and they have limited batches, ensuring the highest production standards while eliminating excessive waste. Now, right now they do have a Valentine's Day sale going on, and if you order soon, you'll have it in time for Valentine's Day. This is going to be a great gift, not only for yourself, but you can also give to your children, to a loved one, your girlfriend, your wife, whatever it may be. Definitely make sure to check out Ana Luisa. I want to show you guys the pieces that I have on today, what I did go ahead and pick out. Right here, you're going to see that I have, it looks like what is a double hoop, but it's actually connected. It's called the SCARLETT. Super comfortable piece, and I'm going to pop up a video showing you guys the actual back where I was able to zoom in. That's one thing that I absolutely love about Ana Luisa jewelry, specifically the backing of their earrings, because if you have worn heavier earrings in the past, the nice thing about their backings is they're thicker, so they go up against your earlobe so you don't get that hangy look to your earrings. So I absolutely love that. The other piece that I did pick out, I believe it's called the Everly, and it's just a really pretty simple gold band, really comfortable, almost like a cushion cut, so it doesn't like cut into your actual skin. Now I am wearing it over on my ring finger. I've had some people send me some DMs like, are you guys okay? Is your marriage okay? I've noticed you haven't worn your wedding ring in a bit. You guys, my marriage is perfect. Everything is great. The reason you haven't seen it is because I have a friend who is a jeweler who told me that I have to be careful using hand sanitizer because it will loosen the diamonds. So I haven't been wearing my wedding set because of that. So I did go ahead and choose the wedding band because when I happen to go out and about, I would like people to know I have a hot husband waiting at home for me. You know what I'm saying? Also, if you are giving these as a gift, I do want to show you guys. It comes in a really cute box, and of course then you have this nice little velvet case that you can put everything in. You can store it away. It is like a little snap case closure. And one of my favorite pieces that you guys see me wear all the time is the earrings called Hope from last year, and I just wanted to show you guys. I actually just wore them in a video not too long ago, so you can see absolutely amazing quality. They have not tarnished or anything, and majority of the times I forget to put them back in my little case. I just pop them right there, so there's not been any tarnishing or anything. So again, don't forget, Ana Luisa does have their big Valentine's Day sale going on right now, so make sure to check my description box down below so you can save that money and do a little shopping for yourself and for a loved one. And let's go ahead and jump into the information I have for you guys regarding the Ipsy X. So February 2nd, 2021 is when the Ipsy X choice window did open up. Now, a little information about what the Ipsy X is. It's the Glam Bag X, which includes 7 to 8 full-size products worth up to $350. And it does look like the price of this bag will be $55. And this is brand new to Ipsy. So this is going to be, my understanding, kind of like a quarterly, what we see with the Boxy Luxe. So this is going to not be a monthly type of subscription. So it says during the upgrade month, you get to build your perfect Glam Bag X during the ultra personalization starting on the 2nd of the month at 9 a.m. Eastern time until the 3rd of the month at 6 p.m. So I'm filming this on February 3rd. So when you guys will see it, hopefully I guess on the 4th or 5th, it will already be closed, unfortunately. So what it says is, first you'll discover your 4 to 5 celeb curated pick. Then you handpick 3 more full-size products from a personalized assortment, Glam Bag X exclusives, and first of a kind new product launches, and a themed glam bag. And finally, you'll complete your ultra personalization with the incredible deals and product add-ons. So it does say that if you do want to go ahead and pick this up, you can go into your account, make your choices and everything. I'm assuming right now there is a wait list for it, but anywho, let's go ahead and talk about what my choices were for this bag. So it looks like for the month of February, Patrick Ta was the one who did the curating and making the picks and all of that. So the items that are going to be in mine are the Patrick Ta Beauty Monochrome Moment Velvet Blush, and she's adorable, which has me really excited because the blushes that I have by Patrick Ta are actually the cream and powder duo blushers. So I don't have any of his other kinds. So I'm really excited to add that to my collection. The next item that he did pick for my bag is by Huda Beauty. This is a rose gold remastered eyeshadow palette, which I am excited to try out the formula, see how it changed, because I do have the actual original one. Next, I see the Pat McGrath Labs Fetishized Mascara in Extreme Black. Can I tell y'all how excited I am about this mascara? I have never tried it out, but I have heard absolutely amazing things about the Pat McGrath mascara. So super excited about that. Next, we are seeing the Complex Culture Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. Again, I love tools. I'm all about skincare tools and gadgets and whatnot, so that will be the next item I see in here. And then the last item that was chosen is the Paint and Matte Lip Color So Long Summer by About Face. Now, I do believe this is, again, another brand that is very new to, just like Patrick Ta, Pat McGrath, to Ipsy. So I've never tried it. Happy to get to try it out. Now, let's go ahead and talk about what my choices were. The first item, or the first set of choices I got to make, was the Private Doctor Define Minus Serum. Again, I don't know much about that, and I'll be honest with you guys, if I were to click in my app on these specific items to learn any knowledge about these items, it crashed the whole site, the whole app, everything. My next choice was by First Aid Beauty, the Pure Skin Gentle Foaming Face Cleanser with, I don't know what the width was. You guys are going to see the picture. I'm not for sure what it was. Now, what I could have done is like jumped over to, say, Sephora or First Aid Beauty site or what have you, and tried to do a little bit of digging. But again, if I left the app or the site, things started to crash again. Moving on to the next item is the Tokyo Milk. I probably said that wrong. It's probably so easy. You guys are probably screaming at your screen right now. It is a Soul Hand Cream, and then next was the Air Professional Texture, I guess a texture spray. Next was the IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo, and then last I had the R Plus Co Teacup Peacholine plus Kombucha Detox Rinse. I thought personally for these choices, I thought they were great. I thought they were absolutely amazing, and I definitely feel like Ipsy stepped it up as far as the choice went. You guys know that's kind of been a complaint of mine in the past with my Glam Bag Plus. I go in, I'm like, I could care less about any of this stuff. This I felt like was really good. Specifically the IGK Hair First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. Y'all know how much your girl loves that dry shampoo. Matter of fact, I have one sitting right here. I have one back here for backup, and I have a couple upstairs. That's how much I love this stuff. It is absolutely amazing. If you are trying to train your hair, 10 out of 10 would recommend picking this up. Moving on to my next, the second product choice was the Yensa Beauty Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Eye Cream, the Cream Shop Ethereal Glow Apuli Serum and Cream Concoction, I think is what it was. I don't know. Saints and Sinner. Again, I don't know what this was because I couldn't click on it to actually get the screenshot, so I was like screenshotting through my choices. This is Divine Shine Holographic Serum. Then next I had the Havana, I think is how you say it, Mineral Hand Cream in Cactus Pink Pepper, which I really do like that brand. Again, I have this mineral body lotion sitting here for my hands. My other choices was the Marmalade Nails Press On Manicure Kit. And then the last item was Item Beauty One Hit Triple Action Setting Mist. Can I just tell you guys, I went back and forth between, again, the Mineral Hand Cream by Havana and the Marmalade Nails. I've heard so many good things about like the press-on nails that I thought, why not try it? So I did go ahead and choose that. Moving on to my third choice, the first one was by Babe Lash, the Essential Serum. Again, I wanted to click and get more information on it. Haley and I were actually talking back and forth on the phone when we were trying to get our choices in, and she ended up, she was like, well, mine's crashed, so I'm gonna just go ahead and check it out for you, Mom. And she said this had like a retail value of $60 some. The next was the Ipsy Kiss and Makeup Clutch. This was a struggle for me. The next was the, I think it's Kitsch, I don't know if I'm saying that right, Velvet Scrunchies and Blush and Mauve. I want those so bad. You guys know I love my Slip Silk scrunchies. And then I have the Moschino Beauty Nail Lacquer Duo and Manicure and Angel. The last two items were Complex Culture Angle Foundation Brush and the Beauty Blender Original Sponge and Queen. Those were my choices that I could make. Now, when I tried to confirm my IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo, my Marmalade Nails, and my Babe Lash Essential Serum, we got the wonderful Wheel of Death. Once again, did I try and go to the website? I did, and then it said my password wasn't working, so then I tried to reset my password, and then it said something went wrong, please try again. So I think that their site just kind of completely crashed, because like I told you guys, I got the Wheel of Death like something fierce. Yeah, that was fun. So anyways, I want to know what you guys' thoughts are. Did you have any struggles again? Cami had the wonderful idea to go to the website last month when I was having the struggle with the Plus, and I did that, and I was still having issues. Some of you guys told me to just delete my app and reinstall it. Again, that's not working. My password, I don't know. So I think what I'll do is try and get back in there when people aren't trying to rush the site, because again, it's open the 2nd and the 3rd. It's open like 24 hours before it closes down. So I don't know, but like I told you guys earlier, I thought the choices for the Ipsy X, perfection. I love the fact that they stepped it up 100%. I'm hoping that that kind of trickles down to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus choices, because I've kind of been on the struggle bus with what those multiple choices were and things that I really just didn't care to try out. I love the fact we're seeing Pat McGrath. I love the fact we're seeing Patrick Tall. So let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Are you as excited about this as I am? I'm super excited that this is, my understanding, a quarterly subscription. Okay, so I promised you guys a giveaway, and there is going to be a giveaway. I did want to go ahead and give you guys the beautiful pair of Jessica heart earrings from Ana Luisa with the whole Valentine's Day theme. I just thought this would be absolutely perfect to include the Alter Ego Blooms palette. As y'all know, this palette is a dupe for the Natasha Denona Love palette. Now the palette you guys see in the video over here of the items that are being given away is my personal palette. So your palette that you're winning won't be open or touched or swatched or anything. It's a brand new palette, I promise. And then of course I did not try these earrings on, but I did want to show you guys what they look like up close. You can see they still have the plastic cover on. Absolutely adorable. So perfect for Valentine's Day. Thank you again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget they have the huge Valentine's Sale going on right now, guys. As far as the giveaway goes, it's super uber easy. You guys know I always ask you guys to make sure you are subscribed, to like this video, share this video, and leave down below the best way to get a hold of you, whether that be your email or your Instagram handle. I do ask if you leave your Instagram handle to make sure you are following me over on Instagram. It is just at HotmessMomma4. I've had in the past a little bit of an issue where people have left their Instagram handles and then they're not following me, and when they win and I reach out to them, they don't see my message. And I can't wait forever. I want to ship these goodies out to you guys. So definitely make sure you are following me over on Instagram. I do have a second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, if you guys want to go over there and check it out. I do a lot of daily vlogs over there. Not daily, but some vlogs over there, as well as some plus size try-on hauls that just recently went up. And if you want to share my channel with a friend, I would greatly appreciate it. Give them a chance to win these amazing products from Ana Luisa and Alter Ego. I will have all of my makeup, my outfit, everything, my earrings, all linked down below for you guys. Save some money. Go do a little bit of Valentine's shopping. You'll have it in time for Valentine's Day. Again, thank you to Ana Luisa. My link will be in the description box as well as in the comments section for you guys with the pieces that I am wearing today. And until next time, friends, as always, I hope y'all have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.